Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are diving into a healthier twist on our classic favorite, Oats Brownies. Yes, you heard it right, we are blending the goodness of oats with the indulgence of brownies. So let's get started. First let's work with our wet ingredients. So into a large bowl add some peanut butter with some jaggery and some milk. Combine everything really well. Now it's time to add the dry ingredients. So into this bowl add rolled oats with some cocoa powder and baking powder. Mix it. Just to bring it together, add some whole wheat flour and gently fold everything until you have a smooth batter. With our batter ready, let's pour it into a greased baking pan. And smooth it out with a spatula to ensure it's evenly distributed. And the best part is, add lots of chocolate chips. Pop the pan into the preheated oven and let the magic happen. Bake it for 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with a few moist crumbs. Once it is out of the oven, let your oats brownies cool in the pan for a bit before cutting them into delicious squares. And there you have it. Mouth-watering oats brownies that are perfect blend of health and indulgence. Soft, chewy and so chocolatey. Whether it's a guilt-free snack or a delightful dessert, these brownies have got you covered. Thanks for joining us today with Grey Pot. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a tasty adventure with us. Until next time, happy baking!